In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual loop.cloud.microsoft and you should be able to see in here this page. In order to sign up, click on this Get Started option and from in there you can head over and then sign up for an account for Microsoft Loop. However, if you already have an existing OneDrive account or Office account or Microsoft Word account, you can proceed to use that in here as well. So for this case, click onto this sign in option that we can see right here if you already have it. So on my case, I already have it, so let me just sign in. Here we have in here my actual Microsoft Loop. So for this case, you can proceed to click on this create new and click onto this link option. You can add right here a text to display, like for example, let's put in here document and add in here the address for that existing page or file. I have right here this document, so for this case, let's proceed to click onto this add. Then after that, it will be added. You can just click on that document and you will be redirected to that particular link. Alternatively, you can also add it under your database by clicking onto this right here and clicking on this plus icon. Doing that, you can see all of these options right here. So what you can do is you can just add right here that particular option, such as these images right here and as well as other options. You can also just paste the link directly and it will be added right there. So in that case, you can access this link directly and you can actually upload it here the files by attaching right here the file that we have right there. So doing that, you can actually access it directly. However, there's no way yet to actually upload a local file directly right here. You need to actually have a third-party hosting in order to use this. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.